Hi, I'm Paul. Today I'm going to show you how it's possible to work with SharePoint content in new ways on your PC. How? Using Microsoft SharePoint Workspace 2010, formerly known to many of you as Groove. SharePoint is the center of my company, and I'm willing to bet it's for you as well. But what if I want this content locally on my PC? What if I need to work offline? Easy. I just click here in the ribbon to start the download. SharePoint Workspace opens locally on my PC, and I'm presented with the option to choose all or just a subset of the site. I'll choose to download everything. A couple of clicks and now that site is on my PC. I have local access to my documents, tasks, announcements, as well as team discussions. Because it's a rich client like other Office applications, features like drag and drop are as easy to use as a Windows folder. Perhaps the most important items are all the documents from my site. Now I can work with them locally, even if I'm not connected to the server. I'll open a Word document, make a change, and save it. The change is now stored locally, waiting to synchronize back to the server. It can be automatic or manual, depending upon what I need. If you're like me, you're always looking for shortcuts, ways to do things easier and faster. Sometimes I just want to look at one file. Since all the content we took offline has been indexed by the Windows search engine, I can easily find it. There you go. Search brings up the document I wanted, and I can open it right from here. Or instead, I can go down to the Start button to type in a search term, and we'll see those files appear again. Now, if I want to look at an entire folder from SharePoint, that's easy as well. I can navigate right to the folder to see all the files as a group. And when I sync up with the server, any changes will be shared with my team. SharePoint Workspace lets you choose the way you want to work with files. We've thought about power users as well. When the client is connected to the server, you have many options available. Just take a look at the ribbon to see some of them. I can check in or check out files. I can even look at server properties for the files here. It's also easy to navigate back to the original site in case I forgot where this data lives on our servers. And when we look at lists, notice how we use InfoPath to render the forms. If your company has built an InfoPath solution on SharePoint, you'll be able to use the forms and data here. And a special note to all of our Groove customers, even though we have renamed the product, you'll still be able to create those great team spaces just like in the past. So it's like having two products in one. Thanks so much for joining me today. Microsoft SharePoint Workspace 2010 extends SharePoint sites to your local PC so you can work when and where you want.